Hi guys! Gagawa kami squishy gamit clay. Pero hindi ito gawa ko. Plastic. Plastic. Where's the clay? Clay! Gagawa ko squishy. Ito muna clay and plastic. Clay tsaka plastic.
Tama, guys.
Tapos yun, ipasok mo sa loob. Or put the clay in there.
Plastic.
But I always speak English and this is Tagalog. If you don't understand me, that's cool.
Ano ba yan?
Actually, can you please see bro?
Bro. English.
Is there a Filipino there? Comment. You want to get seen in the and second and third.
Ow!
And put like that.
Bakay mo muna clay mo
Like
dito,
that.
Be. Bakay mo muna dito yung clay mo, be.
Itali. Ito nga Tagalog lang ako. That's kind of hard for you guys. Because
Dapat like mo ako, guys. Like and subscribe.
try lang po. Kasi
And
bagong account. Ngayon lang.
ano?
Matagal na yung video namin na sa TikTok lang. TikTok lang kami dati. Ngayon, yan. May bago kaming account sa YouTube naman.
Ito, guys.
Pero hindi pa ako tapos.
Ano pala?
Tali ulit. Second na tayo. Who's speaking English here? Comment American. But if you're
Sino Philippines
Tagalog,
and English? Pwede yan.
yeah, that's fine. If you're Spanish, huwag siya single sige. Just kidding. What's for? Now done. Squishy dumpling. But
Oh,
want to
yeah.
take off this so it's more squishy. I'm making the piece later. I'll try the squishy. Ouch. It's squishy. And now, let's make another one.
Yeah.
See you in the next video tomorrow. I mean, later. Not tomorrow. Because we love video.
Yeah.
Like and subscribe.
Yes.
Mwah.